More news coming in. Uddhav Sena MP's big charge against the Prime Minister. Uddhav Sena MP says the Prime Minister is inciting riots in the name of Hindutva. Sanjay Raut has said BJP wants to create riots just before elections.
मोदी जी ने भी रामनवमी को लेकर यह आशंकाएं जताई है कि राइट हो सकते हैं। वहीं ममता दीदी ने भी
नहीं राइट हो सकती है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री बोलते हैं तो प्रधानमंत्री ने
पलटवार किया है। दीदी ने भी
राइट्स कौन करेगा? आपके लोग ही करेंगे ना। चुनाव जीतने के लिए दंगे करवाने की जरूरत किसको पड़ती है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पड़ती है। ये प्रधानमंत्री की जिम्मेदारी है ये कहना कि हम राइट्स दंगे नहीं होने देंगे, लेकिन आप चाहते हैं दंगे हो जाए और उस माहौल में हम चुनाव में जाए हिंदुत्व का नाम लेकर।
Ritik is getting asked more details on that story. In fact, Sanjay Raut, really known not to mince his words ever, is going all guns blazing, saying that a riot-like situation is being created by the BJP just before elections. Ritik?
Yes, absolutely. When PM Modi and also UP's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is in Maharashtra today on a campaign trail, PM Modi will be campaigning in Chandrapur, while Yogi Adityanath is in Nagpur. And during this time of the day, Sanjay Raut is coming down heavily on BJP, targeting PM Modi that they are inciting violence and riots, not just in the state but across the nation, just to get votes. So this is not the first time Sanjay Raut has targeted BJP and PM Modi, but now when PM Modi is here on the soils of Maharashtra campaigning for the BJP candidates, especially the VIP seats like Chandrapur, where Cabinet Minister and core team member of BJP state leadership Sudhir Mungantiwar is contesting against Congress Pratibha Dhanorkar, and the second seat in Nagpur, also an VVIP seat, which is represented by Nitin Gadkari.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Ritik, getting us up to speed with those details as far as Raut's allegations against the Prime Minister and against the BJP is concerned.